Hello again, everybody. I am back finally with a video. So today I'm going to be decorating this book cover. The reason why I even wanted to do this video in the first place was because I'm just not a fan of this cover. No hate or anything like that to the author, to whoever designed this book cover, but it's just not for me. So I'm just gonna, remake it up to that appeases my likings and everything. So all this measuring that you see me doing right here is unnecessary. I don't know what I was doing. I was kind of making it up as I go as I was making this video. I went the easier route because I feel like it'd be easier, if this is a tutorial. I just want it to be the most easiest, simplistic option for someone following the tutorial. All I basically did was just trace the cover, or just trace the book, like the front part of the book, as you can see in the video. Anyways, I guess it's kind of like a draw with me, guys. Oh my gosh, you're drawing with me. I barely record myself drawing on this channel, which is funny because I do that a bunch. But yeah, I just, sketched everything out and colored pencil. That's basically all I did. I just traced my book on a piece of paper, on some more like thicker paper, so then it could take my markers and stuff like that. I kept the bag pretty simple. I didn't want to do anything too crazy, just some cherries. Because on the front cover it has cherries, even though they look like grapes, but it's cherries. I don't know, the spine is a little bit more difficult to explain, so I'm just gonna let the video do the describing of what to do. It's a little messed up. It's a little short. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Since my book cover wasn't really long enough, I just attached like some basic paper on the tips, on the corners or whatever, just to kind of extend it a little bit and so it can wrap around the book. I just used tape to kind of like keep it still, and yeah, I just glued it on. Yes, I glued it on. Yes. What am I saying? I don't know. This is why I need to make scripts for these videos. You can skip this step if you want to. Person that's following this tutorial, you can skip this step if you want, but I laminated my cover because I wanted to protect it from water and whatever nonsensical nonsense I may be doing around this book. I'm most likely not going to travel with this book, so it's probably not going to get dirty or anything like that, but I don't know, I just like to keep things clean. And I just taped it inside because yeah, I don't want it to be permanent, so I just taped it on the inside, and this tape ended up not really keeping it securely in, so I had to use a more stronger, tougher tape. And then life hacks, I used stickers for the words. The pink, you can't really see it that well, but I kind of like it. And yeah, I just wish I kind of like changed the whole tree up at the top. It just looks funny. It's very crowded at the top. But anyways, as you can see in the video, I ran out of space. I was honestly just kind of like so done with this project. I just wanted to finish it because this took me way longer than it looks like in the video, guys. The process was not that smooth. It really wasn't. I was really just making it up as I go. So the cover, as you can see right now, says Sisters and Secrets. But, you know, I changed that later on off camera. yeah, this is how the book looks now. Oh my gosh, it's so aesthetic and so pretty. Again, the original cover was not bad or anything. I just kind of got bored at looking at it. I just wanted something different to look at. If that helped you, know how to make your own dust sleeve, I'm happy for you. Bye bye.